Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting essentials so the process runs without delay. Install or sign into your chosen TTS engine. Cloud APIs reduce setup time while local models keep data on your machine. Once done, select voice parameters, sample rate, bit depth, and mono versus stereo because they determine clarity and file size. Prepare the text with proper punctuation and optional SSML to control pauses and emphasis. Now that prerequisites are set, move to conversion steps immediately to avoid context switching. You now perform the conversion. Send the text or SSML in an API request or run the local CLI synth command including voice, speaking rate, and pitch parameters. If the script is long, split it into 30 to 60-second chunks to avoid timeouts and memory spikes, then stitch files later. Once a file is generated, listen through at normal speed and sample at different segments to ensure consistent prosody. Make sure to save intermediate WAV or lossless files to avoid quality loss during edits. You finish by cleaning and exporting the audio. Normalize to about -1 dB peak, apply gentle EQ and compression, and remove sibilance with a de-esser so speech sounds natural. Export a WAV master for archives and an MP3 or AAC at your chosen bitrate for distribution. If something sounds off, test a different voice or slightly lower the sample rate, and review engine logs for clipped frames or SSML errors, addressing those fixes most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.